Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about small language models. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and small language models, or SLMs, are emerging as a game changer. They're not just smaller versions of large AI models, but purpose built tools designed to make AI accessible, efficient, and incredibly impactful. Let's break down why they matter and how they're shaping industries. SLMs excel in targeted, real time applications. Did you know that by 2025, the IoT market is projected to grow to $1.1 trillion with millions of connected devices relying on lightweight AI models? This is where SLMs step in. They can run on edge devices like Raspberry Pi and smartphones, handling tasks locally without requiring expensive cloud infrastructure. Means businesses can use SLMs to process data directly on IoT devices, ensuring real-time decision-making while maintaining data privacy. Think of smart homes, connected cars, or wearable health devices, all powered by AI models that don't drain resources or compromise security. In healthcare, SLMs are already making an impact. Global spending on AI in healthcare is expected to hit $45 billion by 2026, and SLMs are leading the way. They're automating tasks like patient record transcription, symptom analysis, and even chat based diagnostic support, especially in regions where medical professionals are scarce. And in banking and finance, SLMs are transforming operations. Did you know that the financial sector saves over $10 billion annually by using AI for fraud detection and document automation? SLMs are powering these processes, offering highly personalized financial advice while analyzing thousands of documents in seconds. Customer service is another area seeing exponential improvements. SLM based chatbots can handle 70% of routine queries instantly while offering personalization and empathy. Microsoft's Phi models and Google's Gemma are leading examples, designed to work in diverse languages and contexts, even on low power mobile devices. And here's the beauty of SLMs: they enable businesses to deploy AI on a budget. You don't need large data centers or cloud subscriptions to benefit. Even startups can integrate these models to optimize their workflows, from real time factory automation in manufacturing to legal document review in law firms. Developers, take note. Open source initiatives are making it easier to fine tune SLMs for custom use cases. Imagine building AI solutions for smart cities, personalized education platforms, or even predictive maintenance for industries, all powered by lightweight models running locally. In a world moving toward edge computing and data privacy, small language models are the future. They offer cost efficiency, real time performance, and the ability to operate on IoT and mobile platforms, making them essential for businesses across industries. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others.